how to connect the Xbox controller to your Samsung Galaxy S24 series to play game. Now this one here, you can either connect using the USB cable or you can connect wirelessly. So in this video, we will demonstrate how you can connect the controller wirelessly. Before you begin, make sure that you insert the battery in here. If you are connecting using the USB cable, you don't need to use the battery at all. But if you are connecting via wireless, you need battery. So use the AA battery. So in here, you got the negative and the positive. So where it shows the negative, you need to insert your battery like that. And for positive, you need to insert the positive end into here like that. And then we close the cover. Next, go to the front and press on the connect button. So press and hold that connect button. And you can see the light will start to flashes. Now we go to our Galaxy S24 and then swipe down at the top. Next, tap on the settings icon. Then tap on connections. In here, we scroll down and then tap on Bluetooth. Next, you can see it shows Xbox wireless controller, so tap on that and then tap on pair. And once it's connected, you can see the light will stop flashing and it will show a solid light. Here you can see it will work by simply using the controller. I can use the controller to move my items on the screen. I can execute the item by pressing on the button. I can tap on the back button to go back to the previous screen. I can go to the home screen by simply tapping on the home button here. That will take me back to the home screen. Okay, so here you can see once you connect the controller, we can use the controller to play. So here we can go down, we can aim, and we can change build. So a number of things you have to learn how to use the controller. There are different buttons here that you can set up to perform a number of things. So we can move forward using the controller. So that's jump. So this button here is hitting or braking. So again, just find out each of the items, each of the action, which button does what, and that is how you can connect your Xbox controller to your mobile device. This one here is the Galaxy S24 series, the Ultra. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.